What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane that flies forever. The type of glider we are making in this video is called a tumblewing. It relies on an updraft created by a piece of cardboard and will fly as long as the updraft is present. To make this paper airplane, you're going to need a sheet of tissue paper, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. The reason we're using tissue paper instead of regular paper is that this tissue paper is much thinner and lighter than regular paper. And that's really important when we're trying to keep this paper airplane in the air for as long as possible. So the shape of this airplane is fairly simple. You're going to have to cut a rectangle out of here that is 4 inches by 1 inch. So once you have it cut out, it should be 4 inches by 1 inch. The next step is to fold the two ends up at 90 degrees. And you want to fold them 1/2 inch from the edge. So take your ruler and mark 1/2 inch from one end and 1/2 inch from the other end, and then fold those sections up. Now the last step is to fold these edges. So you're going to fold this edge and this edge in the opposite direction so that when this is falling, it spins. So what you want to do is just fold one end a little bit up like this. And when it ends up, you want it to be angled at about a 45-degree angle like that. And then you're going to flip it over and do the other one the opposite direction. The final product should look something like this. So when your piece is done and you drop it, it should float like this. Once you have your plane finished, it's time to start learning how to fly it. You will want to find a piece of cardboard like I have here, or something of a similar size, such as a large book or a piece of foam board. You're going to use this to create a slight updraft that will keep your plane flying for as long as you want to walk behind it. It will probably take some practice before you can do it consistently. And you'll want to be indoors where there's very little air movement. Even a slight wind or draft will make flying your tumblewing much harder. To start, you want to drop your plane from above your head so that it starts spinning and falling away from you. As it's falling, bring your cardboard up behind it at a slight angle. You want to keep the plane at the top third of the cardboard, and the cardboard a couple inches from the plane. With a little practice, you will be able to steer your plane wherever you want it to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe for more content. Until next time, don't be boring.